Hey everybody, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. I have two things on the agenda for this afternoon, even though it's later in the day. The first thing I want to do is decorate our Christmas tree, and the second thing is go around and do a unboxing of all these packages that I managed to accumulate at our doorstep. So, in order to do the tree, the first thing I need to do is clear off this counter. So I'm going to work on that. And then I'll do the tree, and then do the unboxings. And I'm going to split this into two separate videos. So I will have two videos for my Vlogmas schedule coming up here short term. And yeah, that's the plan. So I hope you're doing well. It is the beginning of December. I can't believe how time is flying by. I had such good intentions of being so on top of it this year, and I'm doing okay, but I feel like December 25th is like tomorrow. So with no further ado, I guess I should get to cleaning off this counter. Let's get to it. Okay. With that cleared off, what do you say we go for the gold and clear this off? Hello, son. No, we can't leave the door open. Why don't you go get on your bed? Yeah. Yes. Go get on your bed. Good boy. So this little baby tree almost didn't come to be. Hey, that rhymes. So we've had this Christmas decoration in our family. What predates me, it was Andrew's. And I don't even really know where he got it from. But we never used it or put it out. And in fact, I almost thought about getting rid of it. But last year, I had the idea, when I wanted to be super festive, to go ahead and decorate it for our bedroom. Because we have one other baby tree, which is lit and decorated, and I normally put out in the living room when we don't get a full-size live tree. But this year, with everything going on in COVID and whatnot, we knew we weren't going to get a big tree. And I didn't even want to go through the hassle of digging out all of our decorations in the garage. So this tree with all the ornaments and whatnot that I had bought last year, have been being stored in my craft/storage room with the intention of decorating it for this year. So that is what I'm finally getting around to doing. As you can see, I'm stringing the lights that are battery operated. Last year I bought little mini ornaments, and I had some little balls. This is a kind of metallic green and red garland that I had on hand. So I basically just, in addition to what I purchased last year, sourced what I already had to go ahead and get this tree looking festive. So it will be the Christmas tree that we use this year. Here are the little balls. They're plastic, and so I don't need to worry about them breaking. Now what I'm doing is I'm putting on the little ornaments, and these are not plastic. They feel kind of ceramic, but they're not breakable. And they came in packs of, I want to say 12, and I got 2 packs, and they're just little Christmas figurines, snowmen, Santas, snowflakes, candy canes, all that kind of stuff. Just really cute. Um, so yeah, I'm just putting these on. They didn't need hooks. They came with gold hangers, thread hangers, and they seem to stick to the branches pretty well. So I didn't worry about putting hangers on those. Another thing you probably noticed that I did at the beginning was I fluffed the tree. I hate fluffing. It's one of the reasons why I don't like getting artificial trees. We had a large artificial tree for several years, and it was always a dreaded task of fluffing it because you know when you cram it back in the box, the branches are always going to get bent and twisted and not looking good. Here I am putting up the topper, and I lucked out finding this topper. It's a pretty red star that I think fits perfect and is pretty proportional. So I think it just really uh, tops off the whole tree. And here I wanted to show what it looked like lit up in the dark. So doing a little spin around. I know you really can't see the top or the bottom, but I think you get the idea. And we ended up deciding to put this tree on what we call our game bench. So here is what our game bench looked like before, and there's the after. So as we start to put out presents, we will put them by the tree, and that will be our Christmas tree for this year. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on tomorrow's Vlogmas. Bye!